Hello, this is Scott from Central Valley HHO. Here's another update on some trucks that we've done. These are out in Mexico. It's over 3,500 something trucks on a fleet. We've just done data on 2 of the trucks. But again, this is data stamped every 5 seconds, and there's the actual date stamps. You can see right here the actual date stamps, and those are every 5 seconds of the day. And you can see this is before the hydrogen system and after. Okay, so again, the very clear indication when you look at this graph that we're using a lot less urea. Okay, this is DEF fluid measurements that are coming off the CAN bus, the J1939 CAN bus information. So this is third party verified. Okay, so this is what we came up with when you do the numbers on basically how much fuel you consumed while driving. Okay, and you can see the truck drove this many kilometers, both trucks. These are 2 different trucks. Okay, and look at this savings. 59% fuel savings on that one, fluid savings, sorry, and 56% savings on fluid on that truck. So if you have a fleet of 3,000 something trucks and you're saving 56 and 59% on the urea, do the math. That's an astronomical savings. I keep saying this again, guys. There is no other hydrogen company in the world that has this data. I keep talking to so many different hydrogen companies and so many people that want to jump on board and want to buy into our company, actually. And they're just blown away why we're the only hydrogen company in the world that has this data. And again, you know, we've gone to all the California labs. We've gone to labs all over the world. And our results are the best compared to all the other hydrogen systems out there tested, okay? So, you know, the data is proof in the pudding, guys. So again, this is 1 out of 13 benefits that we have. I mean, go back and look at all my videos and you guys will see, you know. Again, let's look at this graph. I mean, it's just so obvious when you look at this data that it's another huge benefit with our hydrogen technology. Anyways, this is Scott from Central Valley. Have a great day.